how the female reproductive system works. Ever wondered how and where humans are born? There are several complex mechanisms involved in this process. In the previous video, we talked about the male reproductive system. Now, we will talk about the female reproductive system, how the egg is produced and where it fertilizes. In the female, there are two ovoid-shaped ovaries attached to the dorsal body wall just below the kidneys. Eggs or ova develop inside the ovaries of the mature female human. Ovaries are also responsible for the production of estrogen and progesterone. It is thought that an overwhelming number of around 6 to 7 million potential cells are already present in a 20-week gestation fetus and then decline to 1 to 2 million at birth. This number continues to decline from 300,000 to 500,000 at puberty to less than 1,000 at an average age of menopause. Usually, only one egg is released every month. The ovaries take turns to release an egg. The egg cells divide through mitosis and then go through meiosis. Most of these cells are arrested at prophase 1 and may remain like this for up to 50 years. The egg is spherical, with a diameter of about 110 to 120 micrometer. Now, compare this with the diameter of the human sperm head, which, as learned in the previous video, is only around 2.5 micrometer. The egg, like the sperm, also has a large nucleus and contains a haploid set of chromosomes. A lot of cytoplasm is present and may contain a small amount of yolk. The egg has a plasma membrane, which, in turn, is surrounded by an outer membrane called vitelline membrane. The ovary releases the ripe eggs or ova into the oviduct at certain times. There are two oviducts. Each oviduct, also called the fallopian tube, is a narrow muscular tube. It leads from the ovary to the uterus. The anterior portion of the oviduct has a funnel-shaped opening called infundibulum. Cilia on the inner lining helps move the egg to the uterus. The egg is fertilized in the oviduct. The uterus is another name for the womb. It is where the baby or fetus develops during pregnancy. It is pear-shaped, about 7.5 centimeters long. The uterus has thick muscular walls, which makes it easier to stretch as the baby grows. Its inner lining, the endometrium, is soft and smooth. Part of this lining is shed off every month during menstruation. The endometrium is richly supplied with blood vessels and is the place where the embryo is embedded after fertilization. At the lower narrow end or neck of the uterus is a circular ring of muscle known as the cervix. The outer portion of the uterus is a thin-walled birth canal, or vagina. The opening of the vagina is the vulva. Semen is deposited in the vagina during intercourse.